Bitcoin holds steady above $27,600 ahead of US jobs data. FTX exploiter moves $36.8 million in Ether as SPF trial starts. Hong Kong crypto VC opens $100 million fund for Asian blockchain startups. Hong Kong Police SFC launched task force to monitor crypto exchanges. Geo dives to launch a new Metaverse destination, Shimaruverse by Shimaru. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading flat to positive on Thursday as the headwinds in the traditional markets have subsided. Bitcoin traded above $27,500 crucial mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.2% at 35,520 points. Meanwhile, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange's Stock Connect system, which links Hong Kong stock markets with those in mainland China, is getting an upgrade thanks to blockchain technology. The upgrade, dubbed Synapse, will incorporate smart contracts to help execute post-trade workflows and reduce settlement risk. In an interesting piece of news, Bitcoin investors withdrew over $220 million worth of Bitcoin from exchanges, demonstrating a shift in strategy and growing institutional influence in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin holders made significant withdrawals just before the price surged past $28,000, indicating renewed optimism. Interestingly, Wall Street Memes Coin has recently created a buzz in the market after major exchanges, namely OKX, Gate.io, CoinX listed this meme coin on their exchanges. However, the ecosystem made a crucial move by launching its staking option, which allowed users to earn lucrative 40% APY rewards on its staking, reports highlighted. Nevertheless, a less than anticipated increase in the US jobs data helped soothe nerves in traditional markets. Following the release of ADP payrolls data that private job growth reached 89,000 for September, the rate on the 10-year Treasury note declined from highs last seen in 2007. Payrolls data came in significantly lower than the market expectations of around 160,000. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.09 trillion mark, increasing 0.1% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 32% to $24 billion. According to data analytics firm Sentiment, Ethereum ecosystem witnessed an outflow of approximately 110,000 ETH worth around $181 million from exchanges, marking the largest outflow since August 21, 2023. Elsewhere, Solana's native token SOL also pared its gains from earlier this week, slumping 2.3% in the past 24 hours. The token is still up over 20% in a week. Layer 1 blockchain avalanche AVAX was a top performer among major cryptocurrencies, surging 7%. XRP also rallied over 3% earlier in the day as Ripple's Asian arm obtained a license in Singapore and a favorable court ruling. US stock futures edged lower as investors digested the release of key ADP payrolls data. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 28 points. S&P 500 futures dropped 0.12%, while Nasdaq 100 futures also lost 0.14%. Bitcoin was trading at $27,690, up 0.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.7%, trading at $1,638. BNB was down by 0.2% to trade at $212. Solana SOL was down 2.3% and was trading at $23.1. Polygon Matic was trading down by 4.6% to trade at $0.56. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.2% at $0.061. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 1.7%. However, Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.1% to trade at $0.25. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $10.3, higher 4.5%. Polkadot was up by 1% to trade at $4.1.
Thank you, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The crypto wallet address linked to the FTX exploiter moved roughly $36.8 million worth of Ether in the last 24 hours amid the ongoing court trials of the defunct crypto exchange's ex-CEO Sam Bankman-Fried. Accounts linked to FTX and FTX US were drained of $600 million on November 11, 2022, hours after the crypto exchange had filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. At the time, FTX General Counsel Ryan Miller informed traders about the hack caused by malware. After nearly 10 months of silence, the FTX exploiter began siphoning out the stolen funds, starting with the transfer of 10,250 ETH worth $17.1 million via 4 addresses between September 30 and October 1st, confirms data from Spot on-chain. The exploiter initially held 175,496 ETH worth $294 million. However, the current balance in their portfolio has come down to $196.014 million. Hong Kong-based crypto-focused venture capital VC firm CMCC Global has raised $100 million to support Asian blockchain startups. The crypto fund, called Titan Fund, closed its inaugural funding round on October 4 with participation from 30 investors, including blockchain company Block.one, Hong Kong tycoon Richard Lee's Pacific Century Group, Winklevoss Capital, Jepson Capital, and Animoca Brands founder Yatsu. Titan Fund will concentrate on investments in key areas: blockchain infrastructure, consumer applications like gaming and NFTs, and financial services, including exchanges, wallets, and platforms for lending and borrowing. The crypto fund from CMCC Global will be its fourth to offer equity investments to early-stage blockchain startups with Hong Kong in focus. The fund has already made 5 investment rounds, with 2 going towards Hong Kong-based startups. Hong Kong's police force and the Special Administrative Region's leading securities regulator, the Securities and Futures Commission, have established a joint task force to monitor suspicious activity on crypto exchanges. A statement published by the SFC yesterday says the task force was established after a high-level meeting between the two authorities on September 28. Its main purpose is to enhance their collaboration in monitoring suspicious and illegal activities on virtual asset trading platforms or crypto exchanges. The task force includes members of the police force's commercial crime, cybersecurity, financial intelligence, and investigations division, together with representatives from the SFC's Enforcement and Intermediaries Division. The stated aim of the working group is to share information on suspicious and illegal exchange activities, develop a mechanism to assess the risk of suspicious exchanges, and collaborate and integrate the agency's activities in related investigations. Shimaru Entertainment has unveiled the Shimaruverse on the Geodive VR headset. Geodive is a smartphone-based VR headset intended to raise awareness and increase the adoption of extended reality experiences across India. This collaboration brings an array of captivating and immersive experiences from Shimaru's extensive content collection to Geodive VR headset users, enriching their entertainment experiences. Shimaruverse, in association with Near Protocol, Seracle, and integrated with Microsoft Azure, will provide users with an unparalleled and captivating entertainment experience. Leveraging their latest advancement in Web3 technology, Shimaruverse aims to captivate audiences in a way that transcends conventional entertainment mediums, creating a seamless blend of virtual reality and real-world experiences. The integration of Shimaruverse into the increasingly popular Geodive VR headset opens up a whole new realm of entertainment possibilities for users. From thrilling movies to interactive adventures, Shimaruverse takes entertainment to a new whole level. Now users can dive into a limitless virtual universe where imagination knows no bounds. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have a Sui network. Crypto exchange Bluefin's upgraded version 2 has been launched on the Sui network, offering features like a sub-second optimistic trades, spot and cross-margin capabilities, and privacy function for trading without a crypto wallet. The first version, a Bluefin version 1, allows users to trade perpetual swaps on Ethereum scaling network Arbitrum. Over the course of this year, we have rewritten our code base and rebuilt on the exchange on a new underlying technology, Bluefin said in the press release. With the next version of the exchange, we want to build a decentralized platform that can match the features and trading experience of centralized exchanges. However, this development had no impact on the price of Sui, as it was trading at $0.44, down near 1% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $378 million. Tron DeFi ecosystem has experienced a notable surge in activity, signaling a substantial period of growth and development. This expansion isn't limited to the realm of decentralized finance alone. Recent data underscores a correlated upward trajectory within Tron's TRX token staking ecosystem. This pattern implies that users and investors are becoming increasingly interested in and involved in both DeFi and staking on the Tron blockchain, which is encouraging a more robust and vibrant Tron ecosystem, analysts believe. But there's another more intriguing aspect of the story that has given Tron a big boost. Tron has noticed a substantial spike in its total value locked measure recently, indicating an increase in the value of assets taking part in different activities within the Tron ecosystem. The TRX TVL has risen to an amazing $15.8 billion, representing a significant growth rate of more than 2% in the past day. Tron is trading at $0.08, up 0.44% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $7 billion. Next on the list, we have Solana. According to DeFi Llama data, Solana's total value locked hit $338.82 million this week, which is the highest level since the year's beginning. TVL is a metric perhaps rudimentary one for calculating how much cash is being distributed throughout a network's many DeFi apps. SOL's TVL increased by about 4.15% on Monday, rising from $324.64 million on Sunday to $338 million on that day this week. Popular Solana-based initiatives like Drift, MarginFi, Solend, and others are driving that increase. Solana's native SOL token has seen its strongest week since mid-July, with a 29% rise and 39.08% surge from its September low. The network has improved reliability through upgrades like quick and local free markets and partnered with Visa to allow USDC transactions on Solana. However, these numbers are a shadow of their peak during the bull market, analysts believe. Solana's TVL had risen to just about $10 billion in November 2021 before plummeting to $210 million in January 2023. However, today, Solana was trading at $23, down 0.06% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion. Next on the list, we have IOTA. IOTA, a distributed ledger technology network, has achieved a significant milestone with the Stardust upgrade. The Stardust protocol upgrade and a fork have been completed, dividing the former IOTA network into two. The IOTA network, based on the Stardust protocol version with increased supply, and IOTA Classic, based on the IOTA Stardust protocol but with the old supply. Following the upgrade, users are urged to update the new Hornet and Firefly IOTA versions 2.0.0. The Stardust upgrade will make almost 10% of the airdrop available to users, with the remaining 90% vesting over 2 weeks over 24 months. The IOTA Stardust upgrade has introduced new features that could significantly enhance its utility. It transforms IOTA into a multi-asset ledger, allowing a feeless minting, tokenization, and a transfer of native assets. The upgrade also allows feeless minting and transfer of NFTs on IOTA Layer 1 smart contract tokenization, enabling the anchoring of Layer 2 smart contract chains on IOTA's Tangle via the IOTA Chains framework. IOTA was trading at $0.15, up near 2% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $424 million. Last on the list, we have XRP. XRP has surged to prominence, dominating social media discussions and trading volumes across major exchanges, following significant victory in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. The crucial moment for XRP came as the US Securities and Exchange Commission faced a significant setback. Judge Torres recently denied the SEC's motion to file an interlocutory appeal on the July 13th ruling, as reported by the Crypto Basic. Sentiment, a crypto market intelligence provider, reported an 8% price surge in the XRP market following the ruling. The Ripple hashtag was the top of the US X trend table with 301,000 posts. XRP then embarked on a price rally, retesting the $0.54 price point, contrasting with a general market downturn. This marked XRP as a bullish exception, unlike other cryptocurrencies that experienced bearish trends. Despite these developments and market surge, XRP was trading at $0.53, down near 2% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $27 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3wordstv.io or scan the QR code.